Okay, now I'm going to discuss with y'all the three main file types that you can use in Gimp. The first file type is a PNG. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphic. PNG support transparencies. You can tell that this image has a transparent background because of its checkerboard background. However, PNGs don't always have to be transparent, and many of the social media networks require that you use a PNG for your header banner on your profile page. Our second image is a JPEG. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. Depending on the software that you are using, the file extension may either be .jpg or .jpeg. Don't worry, both are the same file type, it's just a different extension. Now our third image is a bitmap. You can see this image is of a mute swan and a pigeon. Bitmaps are thought to be of a higher quality than JPEGs, but they are larger in file size. So I would recommend throughout the most part you use JPEGs unless you need a transparent image or an image of a higher quality. JPEGs are definitely the way to go for most projects in my opinion, but you can use your own judgment.